Hey everybody, Mike here, Local Seal Farm. Welcome back today. We'll get fueled up here and do a little bush hogging, cleaning up our creek area down here. Just got done doing the driveway. Didn't bring you along for that. That was too much swerving in and out and watching the fence. We're gonna go down here and clean up our creek, keep it nice, and keep invasive weeds and stuff down, cut back. So come along with us. We'll get fueled up. Moments like this, I wish I had a fuel reservoir, a fuel tank with a handle, or a tractor that was ground level fueling. Before I started YouTube, I had to replace that whole tank on that tractor. All right, we're gonna get started up and I'll meet you down there. So we're down here. All this was a part of our NRCS project. So you can see how overgrown it is. I'll get you an epic time lapse. Getting some bush hogging done.
I'm headed down to Nashville, looking for the country blues. I'm searching for Waylon and Hank and Willie too. So I play my songs on the sidewalk, watching all the folks walk by.
And here's the after on this side of the creek. The biggest challenge here is those two brush piles are in odd position. And down there you can see the mud. You got to worry about getting stuck here. But I like to keep it somewhat looking nice and keeping it from getting growed up. When I bought this place, it was like all this, but you know, briars and thickets where you can't even walk or do anything. So I like to keep it somewhat clean where cattle does have access if the well goes out, or I have access to get down here to clean out these water gaps and such. So we'll try to go on the other side over there and start over there. Since we got all that bush hogging done, I went ahead and just did the other side of the creek. I couldn't show you because the rainstorm looked like it was blowing in, so I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. Since we got all that done, we're going to move some cattle to a new paddock and set up a substitute mineral for them. Go ahead and do that. Right here. Oh. count with me, see what y'all get. Y'all leave a comment on how many cows it should be, and don't skip ahead. It should be 44. 44. All moved really quick and easy. All right, we got to go over there to that paddock and get their mineral feeder, bring it over here, and then set up their water. Wean, we're going to wean these calves next week, Monday or Tuesday, and they're going to go on this. I've grazed it once this year and then let it rest for over a month, so they'll have plenty to eat in there. And they got that whole other upper field up there too. They like to make sure they're weaned and on grain and vaccinated and everything. So we're about 45 days. So we'll be at like 49, something like that. But yeah, they'll go on that real thick, tall stuff. Hopefully that'll help with the weeding. We'll wean nose to nose, basically, with the fence in the middle so they can see them. It's a lot less stressful on the calves and cows. had some rain here and there, but could always use a little bit more, as they say. But everybody's pretty happy and having fun being in a new paddock. Go up here and set up where I can get access to the water. Basically, I need to take that reel, undo it, bring it back around to that post down there, and then just open this up so they can have access up into there. While I wait on that, though, they've got their mineral feeder, so they'll be happy for now. Y'all watch the getting you up close and personal here while I'm unhooking this chain. If y'all watch the channel any, you know that we run some high mag mineral in the early spring. Gave that to them, so they'll be happy. Undo this here. This one's grazing gain. There goes the bucket. It's a good all-season mineral, so we'll put that out and get their water situated. Y'all give me a minute. I'll let y'all watch them while I go set up the water. Alright, to say they love mineral is a understatement, ain't it? Alright, so let's show you what we got going on here. Get my little alligator clip. So we got a fence coming down here, and that's going to run up behind the water right now. Sorry. And it comes over and attaches this woven wire fence. I'll electrify it. So tomorrow, they'll have to come into here. I'll take that down. They'll move over to that field, and I'll put the fence back up from here to that corner post there. And that's it. I mean, people say this is labor intensive. It's really not. Once you got a system kind of in place, just like anything else, you're good to go. But now they have access to our highest watering point on the farm. Like I said, those calves are going to have a field day in that field. I mean, that's just, look how tall that grass is there. Let me set this up here. Now I got a fence is hot. I'm gonna fix that. now our fence has power on it. And that's it. Cows are moved. They got mineral. They got fresh grass. They have water. Everything they need. That's one of those heifers I'm gonna probably keep back. Nice looking heifer. This is the one that has twins. Or the vet said she will have twins. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. Nice May day. A little bit of heat. A little bit never hurt nobody. Like I said, next week's Memorial Day weekend, or this weekend will be Memorial Day weekend. We will be working these cattle. We'll run the cows through, give them just some wormer, just to kind of help out with flies, any kind of parasites. They shouldn't have any parasites really for tall grass. And then we'll give the shots to the calves, give them some wormer, sort off the ones we're gonna keep and ones we're gonna get rid of. They'll go in that middle field over there. And then we'll start on a grain ration for 45 days. And then they'll go to the sale barn and be done. Boy, they really love that mineral, don't they? I'm glad y'all come along with me today. If y'all could, just like, subscribe, comment, and let us know how we're doing. We will have a video next week after we get the calves weaned, so be looking forward to it. And we'll show you how we do things. But as always, y'all have a blessed day.